Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady, a channel that offers information related to organization, DIYs, and life hacks, and I love those things. So today I am so excited because we are going to show you how we do a DIY tissue box. So I love the regular boxes that the tissues come in, but you can actually take those boxes and bling them out. But I'm going to show you another way to do it besides using the box. And you can make it cute and quaint, and it can go into your bathroom, or you can make it sports-like, and it can be wherever you need it to be. If you're interested, stay tuned. If you see anything you like, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to leave a comment, because it is those comments that helps me post relevant content. So without further ado, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hello my YouTube friends, and we are back. As indicated in the introduction, these are the items that you will need. You will need your glue gun and whatever you choose to cover this can with. You can use your faux rhinestone ribbon. You all know I love that. You can use a ribbon of your choice, or you could actually paint the can. It's totally up to you. We are going to make a luxurious tissue dispenser, and we're going to use a peanut can. And of course you'll need your scissors. So hold tight, and we're going to go through this, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the end, okay? All right, my YouTube friends, so we are back, and I have completed the decoration of the can. As you can see, I covered it in faux rhinestone ribbon. I love it. Isn't that amazing? And all I did was I just laid my lined the glue up on the can where I wanted the ribbon to go, and I just laid my ribbon on there and just kept going around until the ribbon met. Then I cut that area, and then I started again and go around until I got to the very top, and there you have it. Now the top was a little more challenging because you really have to cover every area of the top, and you have to make a little cut, a little slither in the top of your peanut top. That is where your tissue will dispense. And I couldn't help it. I had to add another little flair with the faux flower petal. And my colors are red, you know they are. And so I wanted to add that. But I think it turned out pretty cool. I really like it. Tell me what you think. And we're gonna go ahead and put tissue inside of this container, and we're gonna try and dispense it. So I took tissue, you just buy your tissue like you normally do, and you take it from this pack, and then you put it into the can like this. Now, you don't want to disturb how the tissue is folded in your pack, because you want it to be able to dispense like it would if it remained in the pack that you purchased it in. So just take out what you need, and then you stick that through the hole in your luxurious tissue dispenser. Oh my, isn't that nice? Yes, and then when you need a tissue, what better way? Isn't that awesome? So try it out, tell me what you think, and there you have it. Your luxurious tissue dispenser. I love it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave those below. If you've seen anything that you like, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I am shouting out all of my subscribers. So make sure that you subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure that it is public and not private. If it is private, I cannot see you. I can't see your name. And if I don't see your name, then I don't know that it's you. So, and I won't be able to shout you out because I won't see your name. So I'm gonna shout out my subscribers, and hey, we're gonna have fun together. All right, I'll see you in the next video.
Note, if you're using rhinestones to decorate your can, be sure to measure your rhinestone prior to application. Start from the bottom and work your way to the top. This ensures an accurate fit.